Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Cryptocurrency fraud in the UK rose by 32% to £226 million in 1 year, according to data from the UK police unit Action Fraud, reported by the Financial Times. Gold prices slipped as the dollar strengthened on safe haven demand triggered by protests in several Chinese cities over strict COVID-19 rules. China's industrial firms saw overall profits decline further in the January to October period as COVID-19 outbreaks flared up and cities imposed new virus curbs, including targeted lockdowns, dampening economic activity. The last session saw the dollar fall 0.3% against the yen. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The US consumer confidence will be released at 1500 hours GMT. Japan's industrial production at 2350 GMT. Spain's consumer price index at 0800 hours GMT. The Portuguese consumer confidence will be released at 0930 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 1000 hours GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller home price indices at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.